You may have heard a lot about ChatGPT these days, and Microsoft has invested about $1 billion in OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, so that they can integrate their Bing search engine with ChatGPT to provide better answers when you search for anything in Bing. So, OpenAI is a company that created ChatGPT. It was initially co-founded by Elon Musk, who runs Tesla and SpaceX. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a machine learning model. You can say machine learning as artificial intelligence in common man terms. So, ChatGPT is a machine learning model. A model is like a human brain. So, it's created by providing all the information in the world. Until 2021, they have provided all the books, all the knowledge available, and they have provided all the information from internet as well. So OpenGPT has learned from that information on its own by using various machine learning algorithms. And this model now can be used to converse with it on any topic. Since it knows a lot about everything, we can ask it any questions. It can be related to medical, yoga, pranayama, mathematics, computer programming, and it is capable of answering anything. So you can ask about the yoga's pranayama steps that you can perform in 15 minutes every day. You can ask about the list of exercises that you can perform to strengthen your leg, or you can ask about anything related to medical field. You can ask it like you can clear your doubts about any issues about your health with ChatGPT. Recently, it has passed medical examinations in the US. Experts actually fed it the questions that is asked in the medical exams, and it has passed the exam. The passing score seems to be 60%, and it has successfully passed the exam. So I have put together a demo about how to use OpenAI, that is ChatGPT, and which follows. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Open the chat.openai.com in your browser, either in your phone or laptop, and you can see if it's busy. Then log in using your Google or Microsoft account, and then you will see the chat window appear. It shows the rules, and you can actually ask the ChatGPT as to how you can use it. You can press on the regenerate button, which is in the right side of the text box. You see the circle. So you can ask it any questions and regenerate the answers by pressing on that circle on the right side. You can ask ChatGPT to provide anything you want, such as list of pranayamas in a tabular format that you can practice, and you will see that ChatGPT generates the answer in a tabular format, which is really interesting and useful. You can ask it questions related to medical field. They recommend that you consult doctors. However, you can get quick clarifications from ChatGPT for something you want to know. Imagination is the only limit here. when it comes to using ChatGPT to learn anything you want to or clarify any doubts. ChatGPT is like an instructor or a teacher which can answer you anything related to any field. Next, I'm going to ask about the source code to identify objects in an image. This is artificial intelligence source code. So if you upload an image, developers write code to identify the objects, and there is a machine learning model which can be used to identify the objects in an image. And the source code is provided by ChatGPT. Again, your imagination and skill set to in asking questions correctly is the limit here when it comes to getting the source code in any programming language you want. Next, let's say that you have got 15 minutes every day and you like to do some exercises for your leg to gain muscle and strength. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of exercises that you can perform in 15 minutes, and it would give the list of exercises with the sets and reps required. You can ask it to regenerate and it will regenerate and give you different steps.